Uma, Alpha. You know I love you. Eh? Imara na love you. But make I ngagwazi. Nke ahụ nke ịtọ na-ekwu na. Ikirigo film a na-akpọ Akịdị. Akịdị Amoka.
O nwere nke a na-akpọ ka film a bụcha ikiriri ya.
Unu nwere?
Anyị nwere ya na.
Ị ga-enyenwu m ka mụ anyị nke anyị nwe. Na-abịa ka ngwa gị na m eje holidays na nke brọda m na Ncha. Brọda m sị ka na mma nọrọ emu ntị. Mmemme iskwe. Anyị ga-esere eje. Mana mama ma ọ mị ma ga-ekwe. Ma aga ma nkụ. Nga mbata ngotere ihe ọ ya ka nsị ka ndị agwa gị. Mbatawanụ. Bye bye.
What you gonna do?
Nke nwanyị. Asa.
What is it?
Keije.
Good afternoon. What is it?
Enwere ihe ọzọ.
Why you call me?
Oga, calm down. You know me before.
What you dey talk to my brother.
Because first of all, my name is Zero. And I'm out naturally just on Victor Trip, and then Chomo August. Jemang Reba. Let us chill together.
No, they tap me like that. No, they tap me like that. You go fee pay. Now.
Like how much?
This one where we did now, no be free you.
Abi?
Yes, you go fee pay. Do something I bet my they come on here. You go
like
fee pay.
Okay, my why are you 5K now?
Which 5K? Who they do 5K? I resemble prostitute for your eyes. Who they?
How
who
much
they
you collect?
Give me 30K.
30K?
Yes.
I know they go for 20.
No, I know if you go with you.
Huh?
I know it. I beg. You know they serious.
Come now. You never reach like that.
I say you know they serious now.
I give you 25.
I better say I go back my house or I just go back my house.
I give you 25K. Talk to me now. Fine girl. I'm asking you.
What is it? What do you want make I do now?
I give you 25K. Where would they go sharply now? Things they hard now.
Things they hard for waiting. As I did like this, I know package.
You package well.
I know package.
You got a more than 25. I just now. All them now.
I bet follow me, Joe.
Ha!
Chris.
Very easy.
Very easy. I said they follow me. No pass me. Follow me for back.